Hi there, artists. Today, we're drawing the chillest animals in the world, capybaras. These adorable, water-loving creatures are so much fun to draw, and by the end of this video, you'll have your very own masterpiece. To draw our capybara family hanging out in their cozy little pond, you'll need a piece of paper, a black marker, and your favorite colored pencils. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, we'll sketch their shapes, then outline them, and finally color them in. And while we draw, I'll tell you all sorts of cool facts about capybaras that'll blow your mind. Okay, let's start by drawing their big round bodies. Capybaras are like giant guinea pigs, so imagine you're drawing an oval with little legs sticking out. Great job. Now let's add their cute little faces. Capybaras have short snouts and tiny round ears. Aren't they adorable already? While you're sketching, did you know that capybaras are the largest rodents in the world? Yep, they can grow as big as a medium-sized dog. But don't worry, they're super friendly and love to live in groups, just like this family we're drawing. Now that we've sketched the shapes, let's grab our black marker and outline everything. Don't forget to add their tiny noses, sleepy eyes, and little paws. Oh, and don't be scared to make mistakes. Capybaras don't mind if we're a little messy. Capybaras spend most of their time near water. They're amazing swimmers and can even hold their breath for up to 5 minutes. Imagine taking a big breath and diving under the water to avoid a jaguar or a caiman. That's what capybaras do to stay safe. Pretty cool, huh? Time to grab your colored pencils. Capybaras are usually a warm brown color, but you can use your imagination and make them rainbow colored if you want. Let's shade their bodies lightly first, and then press a little harder to make the shadows. This'll make them look extra real. Capybaras live in South America, in places like rainforests and grassy wetlands. They love munching on grass and plants, and they're so chill that other animals like to hang out with them. Birds even sit on their backs to catch bugs. They're like the taxis of the animal world. Now color the pond a bright blue or green, and don't forget to add some ripples and bubbles around the capybaras. Maybe even a few little fish or plants to make the scene more fun. As you finish up your drawing, here are some fun capybara facts. Did you know they make cute little squeaks and purring sounds to communicate? let's talk a little more about these cool animals while we admire our drawing. Did you know that capybaras are absolute experts at relaxing? Seriously, they're like the ultimate chill masters of the animal world. They love soaking in water. It keeps them cool under the hot sun. And guess what? Capybaras even like hot springs. That's right. In some places, people have seen capybaras chilling in steaming hot baths during the winter. Can you imagine that? A little capybara spa day. And because they're so friendly and calm, capybaras are popular with all kinds of animals. Birds, monkeys, even other rodents like hanging out with them. Sometimes you'll see a bird riding on a capybara's back like it's a boat. Isn't that the funniest thing? Now, if you've finished your drawing, take a moment to look at it. Each capybara looks so unique and full of character. Maybe one of them is the leader of the group, always keeping an eye on things. Another one might be the playful one, splashing water everywhere. And maybe the little one is just happy to cuddle with its family. What do you think your capybaras are like? And don't forget, you can add even more details if you want. Maybe draw some birds sitting on their backs, or add more ripples to the water. There's no wrong way to finish your art. Capybaras remind us of how important it is to take it easy sometimes. Wow, look at that. We've finished drawing our amazing capybara family. 4 super chill capybaras just relaxing in their cozy little pond. Doesn't it look fantastic? You did such an awesome job. Each capybara has its own little personality, and the pond makes everything feel so peaceful. Alright, my amazing artists, we're all done for today. Your capybara family looks absolutely adorable. I bet they're ready to jump off the page and into their pond. But wait, don't go just yet. I've got a tiny little favor to ask. Did you enjoy drawing with me? Did you love learning all about these super chill capybaras? If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. It's like a high five for all the hard work we did together. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right now. It's the one that looks like this. Go ahead, don't be shy. And guess what? If you click the little bell, you'll be the first to know when we post new fun drawing videos. You don't want to miss that, right? Oh, and one more thing. Can you show your drawing to a friend or family member? Maybe even challenge them to draw a capybara family too. Let's see who makes the funniest or cutest capybaras. Okay, now for real. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. You're all amazing artists, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, keep drawing, keep smiling, and keep having fun. Bye-bye, my awesome capybara crew.